Okay, so we want to take a look at our work plan. And so if we look at the work plan for this week, first thing you want to do is fill out the planner. So um, you'll notice that the older children often will mark off what they're going to do on a particular day. So they make a plan for what they're going to do each day. You got a request about the potluck. So you want to say what you're bringing and then make some funny name. And so related, if you can, to the theme Inferno. So let's say that you're bringing eggs. Well, it's quite easy. You could call them deviled eggs or devilish eggs. On the other hand, if you have something like chicken, you can just make something up. So you could call it rat meat instead of chicken. Um, and so just imagine something that maybe in the Inferno people would have to do. Okay, so we're going to start preparing for the classroom economy. You'll write an application for a job. Depending on the job, you might need to have a recommendation. Okay, and so we're going to write from checklist and make writing from an outline for a story using checklist. And then we're going to write a nonfiction based on the Crusades, just 2 paragraphs. Doesn't have to be more. We're going to start with our new series, the Thinking Toolbox. We're going to do a extension of our memory palace. So for the younger students, that'll be 50 jokes, but some of the older kids have already put in their jokes, 26 to 50. So this will be an extension I make. So each day we'll have new Hink Pinks, tea kettles, and that. So if nothing else, you can just record what we do during the week and put that into Anki, or you can make up your own. We want to be adding math cards every day, so we'll work on that in small groups on doing that. Most importantly, and your parents can help you with this, you want to every day be practicing your Anki deck. So as it grows, if you practice every day, you never have that much to do. Okay, so the next ones are the beginning of the drawing book, and so there's 2 projects, but other than the projects, there's also involved reading a text and then making Anki cards about what you've learned. So there's some very specific lessons. You want to put that into Anki and think about it over and over again. So in the 4th grade, you're going to start with the beginning of design projects. Hello, my name is, so it's a personal logo. The 5th, 6th are starting where they left off, so on project 16. Okay. Each day, we'd like to do some calculation practice, and I'm going to work with you on the level that you're at and get you to do some practice, usually with a calculator to check yourself. Talk cards, we want to do a set of 20 logic problems. We want to do 10 of them. Okay, so 4th graders are going to introduce you to challenge math. So depending on how ambitious you are, you might want to do more than 1 chapter, but we're all going to do the first chapter together. And then what we have here from Cambridge University, we have these 5 tasks. 4th and 5th graders will do that. 6th graders have a lot to do with their advanced math, and some will be doubling up on that. So we'll give them a break from the lovely rich tasks. And then we'll start on the Swift Playgrounds. Everyone will help with that. So the kids who have already done that will be able to be mentors. We're actually going to look at a lot of the inner workings of studying that, recording what you do, recording your program, but also what happens in your program. So it'll sort of be learning a lot of the building blocks.